Intel integration options. There are 3 integration options for Intel which cater for almost all users, regardless of the type of freight system or document management system that is being used. Full integration. Intel's database is directly linked with the freight forwarding system's database, allowing two-way flow of data. Linked module. Job data is output from the freight system in a specific format which Intel can assimilate. Doc to data. Intel creates a digital image of the document, i.e. instruction to prepare a bill of lading. OCR scans the image and populates the data into the relevant fields. Full integration. The best option, providing all possible functionality. The Intel database is linked directly with the database of the freight forwarding system and can update the freight database with amendments made within Intel, as shown earlier with our example using FastFreight, ensuring that records are fully up to date. This requires some level of cooperation from the software vendor to allow us to map the data fields within Intel to read the data in the freight system. However, as some software manufacturers are reluctant to allow third parties access to their data, it is not always possible to fully integrate Intel with some commercially available freight forwarding systems. Because of this, we developed more options. The Intel module installed on the same server polls that folder at regular iterations and analyzes all jobs it finds there. If the job data is correct, it is transmitted to Intra and the user will shortly receive a confirmation email from Intra, as seen earlier. If the server-based Intel detects data errors, it produces an email detailing those errors, which is sent to the registered user's email address. The freight system job number is included in the subject line and the main body of the email. Also in the main body are details of the detected erroneous data. There is also a hyperlink. When clicked, a desktop version of Intel will open up on the user's workstation, enabling them to make necessary data adjustments. In some cases, data changes can be written back to the user's system. Once the necessary data amendments have been made in the desktop version of Intel and the job transmitted to Intra, the user can make the same amendments to their freight forwarding system to ensure that their records are up to date. Doc to data. Doc to data is a system that will work for almost anyone, regardless of which freight forwarding or document management system they use. Once the job data has been entered into the freight system, the user selects the print option. However, instead of selecting their usual print driver, the user selects the pre-installed Intel printer driver. The Intel printer driver will create a digital image of each page of the document, which it deposits in a predetermined folder. The user then opens Intel and, using the drop-down menu, selects the OCR import option. Using the Browse button, the user then selects the relevant job from the OCR import directory and opens it. Once comfortable with the process, this can be fully automated. Then, by clicking the Import button, Intel will scan the image using in-house developed OCR technology, convert the text into data, and populate the information into the relevant fields. Here we can see an example of the OCR scanning operation in progress. Once the OCR scan has finished and all the data has been assimilated into Intel, the user simply has to click the Transmit button to validate the data and transmit the job to Intra. Thank you for watching this demonstration video for Intel. To find out more about this product or any of the applications and services that we can provide, please contact us at your convenience. Details can be found on our website www.logistical-software.co.uk.